Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Walking Thoughts Nebraska. For video this time, we're going to share with you a short history of train travel here in the Midwest, and that is because we went to Kenefick Park here in Omaha, and they have this park dedicated to share the story of the Union Pacific's westward expansion. You saw the steps, but then once you're up here, you could see Omaha and then the border of Iowa around that area too. And then we're going to go around this pathway over here where you could see the pictures and some stories of the expansion. Union Pacific was incorporated in July of 1862, if I remember from the stories there, and then they were granted the bonds and the land needed to expand westward from Omaha onwards. These two train cars symbolize the might of train travel during that time. Then below here, you see from Omaha all the way to California of the route of that westward expansion. We're going to end our video here. Thank you for joining us. As always, please hit the subscribe button, like button, and notification bell as well. That way, whenever we have a new video, you'll be updated. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.